Let me explain this with a simple example. If the product you are selling is a shirt and you are using automatic targeting, Amazon may show your advertisement for many related search queries based on its algorithm. Some of those search queries may be highly relevant, while others may be less relevant. When your advertisement appears for less relevant searches, buyers may click on the listing but decide not to purchase the product. This is why sellers need to regularly monitor automatic campaigns and review the search term reports to understand which search queries are performing well and which ones are wasting advertising budget. By reviewing the search term report inside the Amazon advertising console, sellers can analyze which keywords are generating impressions, clicks, and actual sales. But this does not mean that automatic targeting is useless. In fact, automatic campaigns are often very useful for discovering new search keywords that buyers are using. Many experienced sellers run automatic campaigns specifically for keyword discovery. After analyzing the campaign data, they move the best performing keywords into manual targeting campaigns. Now, I cannot say that automatic targeting always leads to losses. Many sellers use automatic campaigns successfully, but in my own experience, if automatic campaigns are not managed properly, they can sometimes become expensive compared to the number of sales they generate.